Hello everyone and welcome. I want to show you how to add QR code to your sales receipts into Quickbooks. Now, you've opened up a Quickbooks account, you've signed in and everything, the credentials, and now, let's say you've created a form already. By form, I mean sales receipt form, and now you want to add your stamp to it. To add stamp or add QR code. In this case, we'll add a QR code. The same step you're going to take. So what you do is that, let me show you how I got here. Let's go back. Let me show you how I got here from the dashboard, which is the home dashboard here. Click on the name of your company, and then for left menu here, you click on sales, then click on customize look and feel. Then from here, that's how I got to that place, initial page you saw. So from here, if I want to add, if I go to the sales receipt, so I want to add a QR code, I click on it here. Take me there. Let's want to create a new one. I'll show you how to create a new sales receipt. You can check out the video on how to create sales receipts. Yes, see how to create a new one. Look up our video on how to create sales receipts. Now from here, I want to add stamp. As you can see, there's no option for adding stamp here because it's already been created. So we have to create a new one if you want to add stamp. So that I still have to show you. So click on new style, click on sales receipts. Now the option for adding stamp, signature, or QR code is now here. So you will put in all the information you need. Once you choose all the information, you can design your templates, make logo, edit, try all the colors. Then select the different fonts. Once you choose all this, then you can click on add a stamp. Now note that the images and signatures shared outside of your accounts may be visible and accessible to others, including general public. Beware of that. So click on add. Then this is my stamp. I want to add the QR code. You click on plug. The QR code must have been saved on your device. Then just speak it out. Let's pretend as if this is my QR code, and click on open. It should be uploaded, and once it is done with that, you click on save. And it's as simple as that. You can add signature, you can add stamp, you can add QR code. So my logo has been removed. This particular one I used, there seems to be a problem with it, so let's choose another one. So after logging into processing, click on save. So it will appear there. So it's a QR code. So this is for visual search. So it will appear here. It's as simple as that. Hope you find the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Oh, one more thing, we can change the size, small, medium, large, and change where it's placed. Left hand side, middle, or the right hand side. You can also choose to hide that QR code. So do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.